Here is a picture of the man with the white rabbit with red wings. G is for gazelle, my baby brother. When he was little, he wrinkled his toes, wrinkled his forehead, wrinkled his nose. He wiggled his fingers and stuck out his tongue. His arms flapped like wings. His kicking feet rose. He turned on his stomach, he turned on his back, all the time laughing with each silly pose. My mom thought it funny. The camera came out, and then with a click, each wiggle froze. Many years later, when pictures come out, my brother's face turns bright as a rose. Embarrassed, he wants to toss out these shots that shows a young baby who's not wearing clothes. That'd be pretty embarrassing, right? So I noticed two things about this poem. One is that the second line of each stanza rhymes: nose, rose, pose, froze, rose, and clothes. And then I also noticed that this poem is giving me imagery. It's helping create a mental picture in my head of like this baby kicking, flapping, and playing around. So this is the end of our read aloud. We will finish up this book throughout the week. You are now going to move on to your word study.